Welcome to Food Fanatix. In this video, we'll be showing you how to make chicken nuggets. You need 1 kg of chicken boneless, cut into pieces as shown. Add 3 tablespoons vinegar. And leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain the vinegar, add 2 teaspoons salt, 2 teaspoons red chili powder, 2 teaspoons white pepper, 2 teaspoons Ajinomoto, 3 tablespoons corn flour, half teaspoon ginger, half teaspoon garlic, and 1 lightly beaten egg. And mix well. Keep aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Lightly crush 1 cup of corn flakes. Add 2 teaspoons of paprika in 1/4 cup of self-raising flour. Coat the chicken with the flour and then the corn flakes. Place in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes before frying. Deep fry until golden brown. It's a really easy recipe. Do try it out. Thanks for watching.